Who's there?
It's your girls back at it again with a brand new episode of Feelings Explained. So, feelers, follow us on all our social media channels, which is at Feelings XPLAINED on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok.
Be a certified feeler today by hitting the bell button so you will be notified for our next episodes and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Spread the love by donating to our bank account kasi nandyan lang naman yan, guys. Di siya umaalis. Handang-handang tumanggap ng aginaldo.
Wow.
Dahil papunta na tayong bare months agad. Our Dear Feelings Explained episodes are also ready to take in your feelings. Kaya just email us at feelingsxplained@gmail.com.
So, Gian, what is your small win or shit of the week?
I have a small win, I guess. Or is it? Yeah, sige, small win natin siya.
Okay.
So I hosted this wedding ng ating very good friend. Let's just not name drop. Huh? Akala mo na, showbiz! Basta, I was unexpectedly the host for this event. And first time ko mag-host for a really long time ng live event. So, at least na-experience ko siya ulit. Pero happy lang talaga ako for the celebration of love and life and forever togetherness of our friends. Na parang matagal lang inintay itong pagtitipon na ito. Ang, ano ba tawag dun?
Union.
Union. Oh
Yes.
my gosh. And ang dami kong tips na nakuha in fairness. Yung parang, wow, oh my God, mentally, I'm like, that is something that I will also take. Oh,
Wow!
Kasi na naginip po si Patay, kakasal na ako. Pero yun na nga. So, parang ako, ang saya lang to be able to see, you know, the familiar faces. It's such a, you know, full circle kasi 7 years sila.
Yeah.
In fairness talaga sa 7. 7
Yeah.
is
It's a
big
magical
thing.
number.
Yeah. So, ayun, happy lang ako doon. So, that is my small win. How about you?
I have a shit of the week. So, ang shit of the week ko, and this is brought to you
Us
by me, personally. Dahil, tatanga-tanga tayo, na-delete natin yung ini-edit nating episode. Kasi tanga din, hindi nag-double check. Pagka-delete, diretso sa trash, delete. So, ano nangyari? Yung progress, back to zero.
Oo.
So, dahil tanga tayo. Kaya, ayan, suffer the consequences, Pat. Yeah.
Yeah. We can't bring it back.
Yeah, we can't. Fucking Pat. My God.
Okay.
Yon.
This show is brought to you by Pat and Gian's Blood, Sweat, and Tears.
But what we can bring back is ourselves.
Wow, yes.
No, actually hindi. Bring back ba? Hindi, parang bring back a new version of you. Because this episode is something along the lines of rebranding, which I think is so prevalent these days. Kasi nga parang, ewan ko, shedding of the skin. Ganun, diba?
Yeah.
Oo, yun. May mga ganong moments tayo in life na parang hindi natin nabibigyan ng pansin, pero nangyayari pala siya. So, feeling ko, it's such an important, you know, like, theme in our 20s to do that constantly, even if we don't know na ginagawa pala natin siya.
Yeah.
So, with this in mind, what do you think is the factors that you consider when you feel like you are about to rebrand or something na parang may kailangan akong ayusin sa sarili ko talaga, ganyan?
Ako siguro, if it's, and this is a very you answer.
Wow! It's me!
It's a pattern.
Oh,
But the
yes.
thing about me and patterns, or the difference between us when we notice patterns is that ikaw na very, very self-aware ka with the patterns. Ako, late ko na siya napapansin.
Okay.
At saka ako din kasi yung parang, hala, it bothers me pala. Yon. Yung mga warning signs, hindi ko siya pinapansin kasi parang, or yung parang, yung repetition of that pattern, hindi ko siya pinapansin nung una kasi parang, for a time, I thought it was quote-unquote normal.
Okay.
Or for that duration, it was normal, diba? Pero, apparently, it's not. So, doon pumapasok sa akin yung pag-rebrand ng sarili.
I love it.
Ito, ako I'm curious. Kasi, di ba, you're the type of person who always wants to better yourself. That's why you rebrand.
Uh-oh.
But, I'm curious lang din kasi what is, aside from bettering yourself, do you have like any motivation behind your rebranding?
Oh, personally, feeling ko yung pag hindi ko na gusto yung sarili ko, hindi siya exactly motivational, pero parang yun yung nagiging cue ko to like, I have to do it na, whether I like it or not. Wow. Pero actually, more often than not, it's really out of my free will and intention
Yeah.
na gusto ko talagang baguhin eh. Parang ganon. Kaya ko lang naman sinasabing rebrand para lang meron tayong keyword para dun sa reinvention of ourselves. Pero, di ba, hindi naman siya kailangan, it's a big campaign na kailangan mo di ba?
Totoo,
Ilatag
totoo,
mo yung buong
totoo.
gagawin mo. Hindi naman. Pero, ano siya, very conscious decision na, okay, this is something I have to work on. So, what I do, or like, ang minsan sinisimulan ko siya, syempre, sa mindset, na parang, okay, meron akong mga kailangang tapusin. Kailangan ko na ng scissors at ikakat ko na ang mga bagay, you weed out people, you weed out events in your life,
Yeah.
situations where you find yourself na, parang this doesn't align with me anymore.
Yeah.
Parang in retrospect, ang isa sa mga napapansin kong pagbabago ko, na medyo, parte siguro siya ng rebranding ko. Pero of course, marirealize ko na siya pag tapos na, is me saying yes to everything. Na
Yeah.
parang, especially like going out. Dati, ang bilis ko lang sabihin na yes. Tapos, I started declining. I started not going to anything and anywhere ng basta-basta. Parang, again, I have to have, may guidelines na ako na parang, okay, gusto ko ba? May purpose ba yan? Sasaya ba ako dyan? Kung hindi naman ang selfish pakinggan, di ba? Pero parang, di ba iisipin mo, tanga na naman, pagod na ako sa work, ganyan. Tapos, ibibigay ko pa sa'yo yung gabi ko. Wow. Kung hindi ka naman worth it.
Wow.
Kung worth it ka, okay lang. Charing, hindi ka naman worth it eh. So, like, I'm not gonna do that. So, parang, dun ko sinisimulan, dun sa mga kaya kong i-control. Which is my decisions to say yes or to say no to things, to people, to events, to whatever.
Yeah.
And then, from there, parang unti-unti. And then, in fairness, nagki-keep up yung mga parang most of the time naman, yung changes, biglang nakikita mo na, ay, okay. Parang, as you change, again, your environment also change, and so your circumstances change, and then you get to the point where, oh, I've rebranded. Para siyang ganun.
Yeah.
So, yun. You gotta start somewhere. Wow.
Totoo naman. Totoo. And alam mo, natutuwa ako sa rebranding, like, itself, is, aside from reinventing yourself, you get to meet a new version of you. Right?
Yes.
But, ako din, may part din sa akin na I grieve for the past me.
Yes.
I mean, despite na kahit ayoko yung halimaw na yon,
Oo.
may part naman din sa akin, oh, that was me.
Yep.
Right? Na ang lungkot lang din minsan isipin na nagbago ka because of a circumstance based on your previous self. Gets ba?
Oo.
Yeah.
And most of the time, those circumstances are traumatic.
Traumatic. Totoo. It opened your eyes kasi in some new way. I think that's also one way to look at rebranding. Something opened your eyes. That's why you have to change. You have to rebrand.
You have to
diba?
change. And siguro nga, dun din nanggagaling yung, nothing is permanent, or the only thing in life is change.
Yeah, the only thing constant in life is change.
Which is like, now I understand that in a deeper level na, oh yeah, you make so many changes talaga as you move along and then as you discover yourself pa. Pero I wonder, now that, I think we've established naman na podcasters tayo, di ba, for how many fucking years. I wonder if I would have the same depth if not for feelings. Ikaw?
Interesting. I think so, yeah.
Di ba? Hindi tayo magiging ganito ka nitpicky, ganun.
Yeah.
Or like,
I feel like you would still have conversations, but not these types of conversations. You know what I mean? Like, like a previous, our previous episodes, let's say, failures. Hindi na pag-uusapan natin siya, but not as in-depth as what we would usually talk about
Yep.
when we're recording a show.
Correct.
Right?
Oo.
Pero alam mo, ang natutuwa naman din ako sa atin, like in feelings in general, we've tried to rebrand
Mm.
the show
Mm.
as best as we could.
Yep.
And also being like truthful pa din.
Correct.
And I feel like that's hard. Kasi kung sa isang brand, madali lang siya. I feel like. Pero sa kung sa tao,
Mm.
as a person, I feel like that's gonna be difficult. For you, did you have that experience? Where you have to rebrand?
Oo.
Mm.
Na parang mahirap. Na parang
Yes.
may struggle.
Yeah.
Yes. May friction. Ako, I think it's more of, hindi ko alam kung rebranding pa rin siya, pero you know how people perceive you. And I think yun kasi yung last step eh. To finally say na, oh, I'm rebranded, people will recognize na, uy, may nag-change, or, uy,
Yeah.
parang ganito ka na ngayon ah, ganyan. Though, very very external naman na yun. External validation na siya. So, siguro optional yon in the process. Pero parang, I think, ang pinaka-challenge for me is that, recognizing that I'm changing. Yung hindi ako makapaniwala na nagbabago na pala ako. Tapos hindi ko, parang, wait lang. Parang, is this me? Like,
That's so
am
true.
I that person now? Am I this girl now? Like, am I a homebody? Like, the fact na naging introvert ako for a season in my life, like, that is something na very new. Hindi naman siya big deal na parang, oh my God, bakit ako naging ganito? Hindi naman siya ganun. Pero,
Yeah.
parang naninibago ka, tapos parang, ang galing kasi madidiscover mo na ganito ka na mag-isip,
Yeah.
ganon. Tapos even now minsan parang, because diba nga, for me, this year, or this couple of months have been like, wow, what a full circle moment for me. In so
Yeah.
many aspects, or like in other areas of my life. So parang, minsan naisip ko, wait, nag-rebrand ba ako? Or parang, nagbago ba ako kasi na-adapt ko na yung mga natutunan ko?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Or nakuha ko lang ba to? Akin pa ba to? Is this really my thing? Or I just got it from somewhere?
I totally get you
Oh
sa
my
ganyan. Kasi minsan ako, I try to emulate people when I rebrand. Like,
Yep.
like let's say, I remember na parang when I rebranded, we were already friends. We were already close by that time. Tapos parang sabi ko, I have to be as strong as Gian when I voice my opinions. Alam mo yun,
Sa
yung
show
parang-
or in real life?
in real life.
In real life.
In real life.
Gets.
Na parang it's okay if people say no. It's okay if they don't like
Yeah.
alam mo yun, yung parang it's okay if you don't fit inside that box. Yung
Yep.
yung ganung level of strongness. Yun.
Gets.
And yung ano lang din, and the idea also of it's not always about you. Yon.
Amen.
Yon.
Yes.
So, I tried emulating that. And I feel like it's working naman.
Talaga?
I feel like it's working
Oh my
naman.
God.
Kasi,
yeah.
except with the what do you call this? Yung it's not about me part.
Oo.
I'm learning and I feel like it's a huge improvement.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I feel like
May
it's a
progress
huge,
na talaga.
oo. Standing my ground, doon ngayon yung sinusubok tayo ng panahon.
Yes.
Sinusubok tayo ng panahon,
Oo.
but I'm thankful na parang, okay, at least we're halfway there.
Oo.
Yes.
At least may konting development.
Yeah. Kaya,
Which is great.
yeah, tsaka doon ko minsan napapansin na, is it because, did I really emulate Gian, or is it because of the environment of our friendship?
Gets. Oo. Yeah. Gets. And then siguro, I think you just, not naman emulate, pero like, took inspiration. Asa role model? My God!
Greta, is that
Nobel
you?
Peace Prize for your invention. Oh my God, grabe yung ano. Oh my God. Yes, but I get it na parang, oo. Minsan mako-question mo din yung pinanggalingan. Parang bakit nga ba to nangyari or whatever. But yeah, it's so interesting. And I wonder if people think about this actually.
Yeah.
Kasi parang, I mean, of course, it's a topic now kasi nagre-resonate naman talaga tayo dun sa topic na to. Pero parang, naiisip kaya ng mga tao yun? Like, when they wake up, like, am I evolving? Yung mga ganong shit? I don't know.
I feel like naiisip nila.
Okay.
Kasi you don't get stuck in a rut.
Oo.
tas
Yeah.
hindi mo mapapansin.
Oo.
And napapansin mo na parang, shit, hindi ako nag-grow, hindi ako
Yeah.
nag-evolve.
Yep.
Kasi I feel like then, and this is very apt to our previous episode, which is outgrowing people. You don't outgrow someone, or you don't outgrow someone if you didn't notice a change. Right? Diba? Whether you've rebranded for a better purpose or not, turned you into, I don't know what kind of person you are. Diba? The fact that you outgrew someone means that you've rebranded.
Correct. Gets.
Diba? And this is also aligned to our last episode, but since we're already on the topic of rebranding, when you rebranded, is there a circumstance where you had to like cut off people? Yeah.
Oh, hindi naman deliberate. Hindi deliberate. Actually, it's parang last sila. Huh? Paano ba? Hindi deliberate na kasi nagre-rebrand ako. Hindi yung, kumbaga, hindi rason yung pagre-rebrand sa pag-cut ko sa'yo. It's just that, tapos na eh. Wow.
It's
Alam mo
run
yun?
its course, yeah.
Oo, parang, I don't think we're benefiting from this relationship anymore. Parang ganun siya.
Yeah.
So, it's more of like, I will recognize na, okay. Hindi naman, kasi parang when you say na, dahil nagre-rebrand ako, hindi na kita friend. Parang, di ba parang ang sama naman doon? So, hindi naman yun.
It's just that,
Oo.
Parang ano lang siya, nasama lang talaga siya.
Oo.
Hindi siya, it's an accident.
Yeah,
Ganun ba?
parang nagkataon na, okay, hindi na rin naman pala align or something like that. But, sorry, to just add to the challenge din, ano yung sinagot ko kanina? Yung parang, ang challenge is recognizing, di ba? Parang feeling ko kasi, ang hirap i-reintroduce yung sarili mo pagka alam na ng tao na ito ka. Nakilala ka na nila as this. Sis. So, I'm like, and that is the current challenge for me now. Because, I mean, like, in the workplace, I would say, parang doon ko siya na-apply ngayon na parang, kilala na kasi nila ako as, ito yung mga ginagawa ko. So, ito yung mga nirereto nila sa akin. Which is like, I get it. But guys, have you ever thought, do I still want that? Am I still the same person that you met 5 years ago when I was working for this? And that's not, it's not like she doesn't exist anymore, but that is not the identity that I resonate with the most now. Because that was 5 years ago. Which is, I don't blame people for thinking or assuming na Gian is doing this because she's doing this. And she's this because she's doing this.
Gets, yeah.
Alam mo yan, parang hindi ko naman, parang, may newsletter ba ako? Guys, I'm changing. Diba? Hindi naman ganun. So, parang, I think it's a hard job to inform people na, hey guys, I'm not the same person I was a year ago. So, I'm definitely not the person I was in 2017. Tandaan nyo yan.
Exactly.
Tandaan nyo yan.
People change.
Yeah, and I think doon ako nahihirapan. Kasi parang, how do I let people know that this is just, I mean, yes, I'm still Gian, but it's not the same person.
Exactly.
Ganun.
Exactly. Alam mo, ang interesting ng point mo, kasi it's like, it's battling the first impression to who you are now. Na ang hirap. Na parang, kunyari, you're always known as the quote-unquote the party girl.
Yep.
Right? So parang, sige, ganito na lang. Iano natin siya na parang kunyari sa akin, na people find it quote-unquote weird na I don't drink as much as I used to before. I mean, there are circumstances why I can't drink, right? Pero, ang sa akin, parang I don't think it's that weird.
Yeah.
Same. Diba? Na hindi na ako umiinom. Tapos parang, and I get it, it's a joke, and it's not meant to harm anything. Pero parang like, you will hear comments na parang, ikaw, hindi umiinom.
Diba? Like,
Ano meron? Ano masama? Parang,
Parang kasalanan ko bang naggusto ko ng tubig ngayon?
oh,
Ganun.
parang, is it a personal offense?
Yeah.
To not drink alcohol?
Yeah.
Is it a personal offense? Like,
Oo,
or parang,
that's right.
I remember, I tried being the girl in college na, sige, hindi ako magra-rise for the diet.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
So many attempts.
So many
Rice.
attempts.
Tangina.
Pero what I hated was, this person said na, and gets ko naman na it's coming from some place. I don't know what place that is. But I did not appreciate the discouragement.
Oo.
Or
Okay.
siguro,
Gets,
it was,
gets.
siguro yung point niya was like, ba't totoo ka na lang? Ganon. Which is
Gets naman
ngayong
din, pero
matanda na ako, parang, gets ko naman kung saan kasi ko nagagaling.
Pero
But at
bakit-
that point,
why do you
hindi
have
ko
to
siya-
say that?
Oo, pero ang sabi kasi niya, and I quote, I remember,
Oh my God.
ikaw, magna-no rice, kilala kita eh, hindi mo nga kaya mabuhay na walang kanin eh. Parang ako, hindi ba pwedeng
Nagtatry lang?
magpanggap ka na kaya mo? Kailangan ko lang ng support, tangina ka.
Binabayaran.
Oo,
Babayaran ba kita pag hindi ko nagawa?
diba? Parang, kasi yun yung importante, pag gusto mo
Diba?
mag-libra, di kailangan mo minsan ng support.
Exactly.
So, I want to be that girl. Anong problema mo? Parang sa akin, after nun, parang
Ano,
sabi
atraso
ko,
ko sa'yo?
oo, after nun, sabi ko, tangina, sige, kakain
Try mo
ako
pa
ng
rin
kain.
siya?
Hindi na.
See? Kasi hindi na siya aligned. Charing
Hindi
sa
na
goals.
siya aligned sa
Tangina,
goals.
ano naman, napaka-KJ naman. Alam mo, very that talaga. Putang ina ng mga hayop na yan.
Oo.
Mga naysayers.
Diba?
Ganun.
Ngayon, gets ko kung bakit, kung kunyari, binaril mo ko ng
Oo.
summer na, pat yung totoo talaga, hindi ka talaga, ikaw mabibigay sa akin ng Tuesday yung episode, totoo ba?
Alam naman natin sa
Alam naman
deadlines,
natin,
iba na yun.
Iba na yun. Hindi, pero
Pero iba kasi yung yung mga goals
Hindi.
na gusto mo for yourself.
yeah.
Eh. Iba yun
Pero I mean, ibig ko sabihin na, at this day and age, pag sinabihan mo ako ng ganon,
Oo.
alam mo yun, yung parang, magigets ko kung saan siya nanggagaling.
Oo.
Pero
May
at
rason
that-
naman
oo.
bakit.
Pero at that time, I was a young teenager
Totoo.
na parang, sis,
Sis, ano ba naman yung clap for me right now? Ganun.
diba? Oo.
Totoo.
I need the
Sis.
suspension of disbelief.
Amen. My God. Mga hater ang puta.
Exactly.
Gets talaga.
My God. Naudlot yung rebranding ko nun. As in, ang sama
Tingnan
pa
mo.
ng,
Oo.
ang sama pa ng ugali ko kumakain ako ng favorite kong
Ay,
ulam sa kaf.
Alam mo, sorry, na-realize ko because I kinda do that to my mom. Well, kami magkakapatid.
Okay.
Lahat naman tayo may gustong, may mga ganung gustong
Yeah,
gawin.
yeah.
Pero parang taon-taon na lang ako kasi in her case talaga, parang, mother, shut your pipe hole because it's not happening. Stop making fetch happen. Ganon. Pero
My
gets
God.
ko. But I guess I should not do that. Fine, sige. Kasi sometimes I just stay quiet na lang.
Siguro, there's a better term
Oo.
for just like
Hindi ko naman siya sinashut up, pero
Oo.
parang,
No, I mean for like shutting down people.
siguro.
There's a
nga.
better way
I
siguro
think
to
it's
shut them down.
silence.
Silence.
Let's dead air.
Okay, sige, sabi mo eh.
Oo.
Ganyan. Okay,
Yung
sige.
Parang ganun. Kasi parang, yeah, I guess I should stop doing that to her. But, because again, she keeps on saying it, but it's just like people who tells you that I'm gonna resign, but
Yeah.
never resign.
Yeah. Totoo.
Ayun, mga ganong shit. My God, rebranding. Fuck. How do you notice people? Do you notice people pag nagre-rebrand sila?
Minsan,
do you
yeah.
Or maybe you don't care enough. Or bakit mo naman papakialaman yung rebranding ng iba?
Mapapansin ko siya na parang, hindi na siya nagaganon.
Ito na siya.
Parang pag sinabi, kunyari, let's say you're the type of person who doesn't drink kale. And then
Okay.
you decide to drink kale. Parang sabi ko, kailan ka pa nag-kale? Wala, I'm trying this new thing. Okay. Ganun lang siya. Parang, I'll notice it. And then I'll try to adapt
okay.
with
you're
what's
this na.
happening. Yeah. Oo. Kasi parang, ang sa akin,
If
kung ano yung hinanap ko sa porta sa taong yun ng college, yun ang gagawin ko sa sarili ko ngayon.
Oh my God.
I'm gonna be that girl.
Amen to that.
Yeah.
The support that you never got,
Yeah.
but needed the most.
Exactly. So, pag kunyari ikaw, if you're in a, I can't remember yung mga times na nagre-rebrand kayo, pero,
Ang daming beses.
ang daming
no?
beses eh.
Kasi
Parang,
ito may slut era ko. I
yeah.
miss my slut era. Like, oh my God, where is she? I I haven't seen her waist right now. My God. Where is she talaga? I cannot. Pero, yeah. I think a lot of the rebranding thing has got to do with boundary standards.
Oh,
Which,
yeah.
those are two things na very, very important to me now at this point. Na parang, may mga taong hindi magigets eh. May mga taong hindi makakasabay dun sa pagbabago mo. Tapos parang,
Totoo.
ikaw pa yung masama kasi nagbago ka.
Ay, totoo.
Parang, pakay mo, putang ina, sino ba nagre-rebrand?
Totoo.
Inaway.
Parang, hindi naman ako consumer good para
Oo.
magkaroon ng FGD. Diba? Para sa mga tao hindi po alam ang FGD, ang ibig sabihin nun ay focus group discussion. Yun. Hindi naman, this is not up for discussion. If
Oo.
it's a real problem, okay, sige.
Yeah.
Pero yung parang lahat na lang, papansinin mo, tapos
Oh my God.
i-criticize mo na parang, number one, God did not put you in this earth to criticize me.
Amen.
It is not your job. Hindi ka binabayaran ng nanay mo. Diba? Parang, it's so fucked up
Oo.
how people do that.
Yep.
Alam mo
yep.
yun, especially if they're trying something new.
Yeah. And, oh my God, they burst your bubble. Totoo. Madaming ganun. Madaming nakakatandang ganun.
Totoo.
Kasi parang, gusto kong sabihin ko, so sasabihin ko yung sasabihin ko. Walang
Diba?
preno-preno, ganun. Which is like, how did you earn that? I don't know.
Totoo.
Seniority, ganun.
Totoo.
Parang tama.
And I also hate how people comment when you rebranded. And say na,
Yes.
Gian, hindi ka naman ganyan dati. Bakit ka nagbago? Anong nangyari? Like, there's something,
Yeah.
na parang there's supposed to be like a big thing
Yeah.
happening. Hindi ba pwedeng ayaw mo yung sarili mo?
Oo.
Hindi ba pwedeng you don't like feeling what you're feeling and you're
Yeah.
asking me to get that girl back?
Oo.
That's fucked up.
Yeah. Kasi parang it's so negative. They're insinuating that there's something wrong with you changing. Na
Yeah.
Parang, ba't ka nagbabago ngayon? Yung ganun.
Yeah, and the change that they will accept is if the change that they will only
God.
accept is if it's a change that they want to see.
Yes. And if it's convenient for them.
Exactly.
Oh my God. Words of the Lord. I fucking love rebranding. Actually, it's my favorite thing to do. The way I see it kasi, it's like, para siyang project. It makes me look forward to things, or to my life. Parang when I'm trying to change something, or parang, okay, may i-fix ako or what. Diba? Parang fixer-upper talaga. Meron ako nagiging purpose in life. Parang ganun. Hindi naman siya kailangan big talaga, or lahat major. No naman. Pero, it makes me feel good for some reason. I mean, maybe some parts of it na parang, ano ba yan? Bakit ganyan? Pero,
Yeah, gets.
for me, it drives me purpose. Parang ganun. Brings me purpose.
Totoo. Alam mo, I remember yung ganyang change sa akin was when I started not caring about what people see in my body. Like, I started wearing, parang sa akin, I always, siguro mas maganda siya simulan ng ganito. I always find it not exactly weird na when people say na, grabe yung confidence mo to wear sleeveless, no? Despite your size. And to that, I say, na, kailan pa? Kung payat na ako, so kailan yun? Kailan ko i-enjoy yung sleeveless?
Oo,
Diba?
yung mga damit na gusto ko isuot.
Exactly, yung fashion na gusto kong sabayan. Kailan ako magkakaroon ng sarili kong sense of style na hindi shirt and shorts? Because I've always been a shirt and shorts girl.
Yeah.
Diba? I've always been a shirt girl and I'm still a shirt girl.
Yeah.
But like, kailan pa ba ako magsuot ng maikling skirt na hindi ako mahihiya na my thighs look big?
Yeah.
Alam mo
That's
yun?
such a good perspective
Right?
to see things. Because, actually, sa'yo ko yun nakuha. I remember
Really?
you speaking about that. Parang same scenario in that way na, kailan pa? And, napansin ko na rin to kasi looking back, diba, sa old photos, parang na-realize mo, tangan, pahit ko naman pala dati, pero tabang-taba ako sa sarili ko.
Exactly.
Diba, alam natin yan, pareho nating na-experience. And it's weird because everybody seems like they experience it. Okay, so that was the rebranding that has impacted you very well.
Yeah, that's one. And the
Okay.
other one was knowing when to say no.
Oh, yes.
And choosing myself. Until now,
Yeah.
andun pa rin yung active na I have to remind myself na, you have to choose yourself. Na it's okay
Yeah.
to be selfish.
Oo.
It's not a problem.
Yep.
Being selfish has a bad rap.
Mm-mm.
I don't know why.
Oo.
Pero hindi naman masama na
Piliin yung sarili.
piliin mo muna yung sarili
Kahit
mo at
papaano.
some, di ba?
Oo.
I mean, it's not a big ask in terms of like all the other things in the world.
Yep.
I find it offensive on my part na parang, bakit offensive sa'yo na I'm doing something for me?
Yeah.
It's not even about you in the first place. Diba?
That's true.
Is it because it's not convenient for you anymore?
Amen. And like, it doesn't have to be crazy changes naman. Parang kung ano lang yung nag-a-align sa'yo talaga. Kung ano yung totoo sa'yo. Parang ganun.
Okay, so with that, Gian, where do we go from here?
Oh my God! I think I've done so many rebrandings already in the span of my 29 years of existence. So, hire-hire. Parang, ano lang, relax lang ako kasi hindi naman ako nape-pressure din to do things. And, thankfully, meron akong, I'm a self-starter. Yes, hinahanap ko sa resume yun. Self-starter, ganun. Proactive naman kasi ako when it comes to, again, improving myself or whatever. And the thing is, the only standard that I am considering is the standard that I set up for myself.
Yeah.
Wala naman nagdidikta din na parang, ganito ka dapat, ganyan. Pero, I'm just glad na nandun ako sa punto ng buhay ko na I'm not that confident, but strong nga yung sense of self ko to not be weathered down by haters. Well, as if naman may haters talaga ako. Wala naman. Ata. Pero, di ba, parang, baka totoo lang, ganun. And before, I used to have this idea or I have this concept na people have a perception of me and I must attend to that or I must be that.
Yes.
But then, I'm pretty sure they don't even think about me in any way,
Yeah.
shape, or form. Like, I don't think they give a fuck about
Yeah.
me. And so, why? Parang, okay, kung ito yung perception mo sa akin, sige,
Yeah.
ganun na lang eh. And this applies to even my closest friends. Na parang, okay, ito na yung perception mo. Sige. Alam mo yan, yung, I'm not going anywhere. I'm not here to force feed people that this is me, but it would be great for people to have a fucking open eyes and mind. Na
Yeah.
may mga changes na nangyayari sa mga buhay natin at
Yeah.
sorry kung hindi ka na priority ngayon, ganun,
Yeah.
mga ganun bagay. So like, yeah, I'm just gonna keep parang being true to myself because that's the only way I know how to exist. Wow.
Yeah.
So yun lang. That's where I'm going. How about you? Where do we go from here?
For me, it's important to also look back on who you were before. The thing with patterns is that it will always come back. Walang cure. Kung demonyo ka man dati, wala namang cure yun eh, di ba? So it will always come back. So you also have to acknowledge and to look back on your past selves and always remember na you will not do this anymore. Because the thing is, it's sometimes kasi it's a sweet trap na hindi mo napapansin na trap pala siya. And I find myself getting caught in that trap. You remember? So,
Tama.
it's, kailangan mong ipaalala sa sarili mo yun eh. Parang sinabi mo sa akin the night before na parang, you have to remember what they said.
Yeah.
So that you could stick with your decision. You- And also, when it comes to rebranding, feelers, I'm gonna address you. And I'm
Wow.
looking at you. You have to have a strong heart when you decide to rebrand. Na kailangan, pag nag-rebrand ka at sinabi mong, tapos na ako dito, siguraduhin mong, tapos ka na talaga dito.
Yes, parang jowa lang.
Parang jowa
Wala
lang.
ka nang babalikan,
Oo.
ate. Ganun.
Diba? I mean, this is for like kicking habits, ha?
Yep, gets. Yes.
For kicking habits. Siguraduhin mo
Bad
talaga.
habits.
Yeah, bad
or what?
habits. Na, tapos ka na talaga doon, na hindi mo na siya, parang, just to share,
Oh my God.
I have a habit of always saying sorry. Right?
Yes.
Oo. So, I always have to remember the song lyric of one of my favorite bands, Yumi at 6. Yung isang lyric nila is, sick of saying sorry when I'm not. So, I have to remember na,
Exactly.
am I really sorry
Yup.
when I say that?
Amen.
And when you say sorry, you have to also do the work
Yup.
di ba?
Yeah.
Kasi, and this is gonna be an interesting episode, but ang sabi kasi niya, apologizing
it's nothing
is nothing without the action.
change
Yeah.
behavior.
Yeah, if kailangan nilang gawin yon, if they said sorry and they didn't change, that's manipulation.
Amen.
That's
Yeah,
manipulation.
That's nothing.
And if they decided to change towards the end, it means they don't really have a plan on doing it. They just wanted to have you in their life when
To pacify
pag palaging,
you lang.
parang maging mas babalik ulit sa same pattern niya.
Yeah.
So yun,
Totoo
guys.
yan. Amen.
Ah,
My gosh.
but again, life is a work in progress. So,
Yes.
okay, that's it for us. This has been Pat.
And this has been Gian.
Bye!